to build your plan on HelloFresh Fresh application. Hello everyone, wherever you are in this video, I will tell you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first I will back and open my HelloFresh application again. The first things I have to go and open build your plan. Click on it. Then I will wait until it's in the verification. As you see right now, what I should do, they told me what kind of meals do you like. For example, I like meat and veggies. I will click continue. Do you have any dietary preference? For example, continue. What are your goals of? I don't know, I will just continue all this step. I will skip all this step. As you see, now you have to select your address. How many meals would you like per week? For example, 3. That's enough. I will wait, and then I will complete the others step. As you see right now, deliver address. I will add my deliver address here. I will select my address. For example, I will just random things here. I don't know. I don't wanna to write my real information. I don't know, zip code like this, and state. Zip code, it's error. For example, here, number phone. And then I don't wanna guys to complete my information. You will complete this, deliver address and check out, and here the last step is to select your meals. So that's it guys, it's very easy and fast to build your plan. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.